In Bendi, flower buds appears in the axil of each leaf from 4th to 8th leaf depending upon the cultivar. Flower buds takes about 22 to 26 days from initiation to full bloom. In Bendi, the opening of flowers and anthesis normally happen together, and anthesis is between 9 to 10 am and is preceded by maximum anther dehiscence between 8 to 9 am. Pollen fertility is maximum during the period an hour before and hour after opening of the flower. The stigma remains receptive on the day of anthesis. Bendi is an often cross pollinated crop, and cross pollination is to the extent of 4 to 19% due to the protogynous nature of the flowers. The methods of seed production, here it is produced from seed to seed with a 3-tier system, that is breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed. Coming to varieties, Co1, MDU1, Barbani Grandi, Arca anamica, Pusa A4, Pusa savani are some of the popular varieties in Bendi. Coming to the season, June, July, September, October and February, March are the suitable season for the seed production of Bendi. Land requirement, select the land on which Bendi crop was not grown in the previous season, unless the crop was of the same variety and certified, and the field should be free from wild Bendi, that is Eubulmascus mosatus and other species. Coming to the isolation requirements, seed field must be isolated from other varieties and same variety not conforming to varietal purity requirements for certification, and wild okra at least 500 meters for foundation seed class and 250 meters for certified seed production. The seed rate recommendations for the varieties is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Coming to the manuring requirements, apply 12.5 tons of farmyard manure per hectare before ploughing. Apply 150, 75 kg of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium per hectare, of which 50% of the nitrogen should be applied as top dressing in 2 split doses during flowering and 10 days later. The number of sprays as well as the concentration of the water soluble fertilizers multi-K exerted marked influence on the seed yield and quality parameters in okra. Coming to roguing, the roguing should be based on the plant characters, that is plant height, growth habit, etc. Coming to the floral characters, the flower size, color intensity and the fruit characters like fruit color, shape, fruit length, etc. and all the off types and mosaic affected plants should be removed from the seed field. Wild Bendi, if present, it should be removed before flowering to maintain the genetic purity. The field inspections for the certification purpose, maximum of 3 inspections for the varieties and 4 inspections for the hybrids. 1 inspection is at the vegetative stage and 2 inspections are recommended during flowering, and the last one should be at fruit maturity stage. Coming to the field standard recommendations, the off types, the maximum permissible limit is 0.1% for the foundation class and 0.2% for the certified class. The objectionable weed of Bendi. Coming to the pest and disease management, the major pests attacking Bendi are borers, jassids, aphids, whitefly and red spider mites, which can be controlled through the efficient use of modern age chemicals and integrated pest management approach. The diseases such as yellow vein mosaic and powdery mildew are the chief diseases of the okra seed crop. Harvesting and thrashing of Bendi seed crop. At maturity, the parts turn grey to brown and expose hairline crack on the ridges that is the ideal stage for harvesting of the pods, otherwise pod may split. This takes about 30 to 35 days after anthesis. The pods turn to brown color on drying alone or cut using the sickle manually. The pods are dried and thrashed using the pliable sticks or using thrashers. Dried seeds are subjected to water flotation, in which good seeds sink while the poor seeds float. The floaters are removed while the sinkers are dried under shade, followed by sun drying. Seeds are to be processed with BSS sieve 7x7 wire mesh sieves. Then the seeds are cleaned, dried and treated with Kapton or Thiram. The seed yield may be 1000 to 1200 kg per hectare. Hybrid seed production techniques of Bendi. In Bendi, since the flowers are large in size, the hand emasculation and pollination is the best suitable method for hybrid seed production. The available hybrids in India are CO2, CO3, Bendi hybrid, CO-BH1, Mahiko hybrid, Soba and so on. The seed rate recommendation for the hybrid seed production is 4 kg per hectare for the female parent and 1 kg per hectare for the male parent. The spacing requirements are 60 centimeter and 30 centimeter. The isolation requirements is 500 meters from other varieties and same variety not conforming to the varietal purity requirements for certified and wild okra. The planting ratio recommendation is the male and female parents are raised in blocks at the ratio of 9:1, that is female to male, or else the female and male parents are normally planted in the planting ratio of 4:1. Coming to the steps to be followed for the hybrid seed production, first of all we will see about the hand emasculation techniques. The removal of androecium or the stamens from the bisexual flower is called as emasculation. The flower buds which are likely to open on the next day are chosen for emasculation in the female parent, and the entire anther column is removed along with corolla by giving shallow cut at the base of the bud with a thumbnail. Pollination is nothing but transfer of pollen from the male parent to the female parent, which is called as pollination. The just opened flowers are picked from the male parent and used for crossing of the emasculated flowers. One male flower is sufficient to pollinate 4 or 5 female emasculated buds. The crossing can be continued for a period of 8 weeks from the initiation of flowering. The buds and flowers that appeared subsequently after the stopping of crossing program should be manually removed to facilitate better development of the crossed fruits and to avoid the selfed seeds in the hybrid seed production plot. Better quality seed with optimum yield can be obtained from parents having a load of 6 or 8 fruits per plant. Pollination on the same day of emasculation between 9 am and 12 noon was also found to be optimum for the seed production of okra hybrid in order to obtain good seed yield with better quality. Coming to the field inspection for the certification purpose, minimum of 4 inspections are recommended, 1 at vegetative, 2 at flowering and the last one at fruit maturity stages. And coming to the seed standards, here the pure seed percentage is 99% and the objectionable weeds should not be there, the seeds of the objectionable weeds should not be in the seed lot, and germination requirement is 65% for both the classes of seeds. Onion crop. Onion is the biennial crop and it takes 2 full seasons to produce the seeds. In the first year, bulbs are formed and the second year the flower stalks develop and the seeds are produced. It is a long day plant and the day length influences the bulb onion, but has little effect on the induction of seeding. Varieties bolt readily between 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. Floral biology of onion. Here the inflorescence is an umbel. The flowers are borne in simple umbel at the apex of a floral stem, which is commonly hollow when mature. The flower consists of small superior pistil with 6 locules. Flowering is from outer whorl to center. The flower secretes nectar which attracts the insects, which helps in the cross pollination. The flowers are protrudous in nature. Anthesis occurs in the early morning, that is 6 to 7 hours, and anthedehiscence is between 7 to 17 hours, and stigma receptivity is on the day of anthesis. Stages of seed production: the breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed, the 3-tier system is recommended. The varieties popular in India are Bellary Red, Rampur Local, Pusa White, Kalyanpur, Punjab 48, Pusa Red, Arka Nirkedan, Arka Kalyan and other. The climatic requirements: the ideal temperature for mother bulb production is 18 degrees centigrade to 24 degrees centigrade for the day and 10 to 12 degrees centigrade for the night temperature. Higher temperature can prevent flowering, and after bulb develops, cool weather with ample moisture supply is required for the flower stalk initiation. Then drier conditions with good sunshine are required for the seed maturity, harvesting and processing. Good sunshine at the time of full blooming stage will facilitate the activity of beneficial insects for higher rate of cross pollination and seed set. Regarding season, the optimum sowing season is middle of June to middle of July in the plains. Regarding isolation requirements, since onion is largely cross pollinated, 1000 meters for foundation class and 500 meters for certified class as isolation distance. Coming to the methods of seed production, there are two methods are there, the seed to seed and bulb to seed. Both can be used in the seed production practices, but the bulb to seed is the most commonly used method for the production of better quality seeds. The method is also good to maintain the variety identity. The bulb to seed method of seed production. Production and storage of bulbs, which is done during the first year. Here the sowing time is middle of October to middle of November for raising the nursery in the plains and April to June in the hills. 1/20th of an hectare nursery is sufficient for raising seedlings for 1 hectare main field. The seed rate recommendation is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Coming to the fertilizer requirements, add 20 tons of well rotten farmyard manure at the time of land preparation and 250 kg of superphosphate and 45 kg of potassium sulphate at the time of planting. 250 to 375 kg of ammonium sulphate or can may also be applied as top dressing in 2 to 3 doses during the growing period. Coming to transplanting, the crop needs 35 to 40 days as the seedling age to be planted in small beds in well prepared fields. January is the best period and the seedlings overstay on the beds for more than 60 days after sowing. Bulb formation starts and potential for bulb size development reduced with significant yield reduction in the main field. The spacing for this crop depends upon the variety and the bulb size, and it varies from 10 to 15 centimeter. The isolation requirements for the first crop for the production of bulbs, the 5-meter distance is sufficient. Regarding the irrigation, fortnightly irrigation during winter and weekly irrigation during the hot weather is advisable. Irrigate sparingly during maturity. Coming to the plant protection measures, maintaining the plant health is the most important thing to produce the disease free and quality bulbs with higher yields, and hence prophylactic plant protection measures should be taken. Regarding roguing, it is desirable to begin the roguing in the field before the bulbs are harvested, since it is then possible to detect any plants having a different foliage color or plant type. After harvesting, the bulb should be carefully rogued for off types. Regarding field inspections, the mother bulb production 2 inspections are recommended. Then comes the harvesting and curing of the bulbs. Well matured bulbs should be harvested. Maturity is indicated by the tops drooping just above the bulb, while the leaves are still green. Before storage, thorough selection and curing of bulbs should be done. Bulbs as thick necks, doubles, bottlenecks should be removed. Then comes storage of bulbs. Here the bulbs are stored for curing for at least 15 to 30 days, depends on weather conditions, by spreading the bulbs in a single layer under cool, dry and aerated places. The next is the planting of bulbs and the seed production in the second year as a second crop. The bulbs produced during June-September are being used for planting in the next season. The seed yield and quality depends on the technology what we are following during the second season. The time of planting bulbs. So, last week of October to first fortnight of November is the best time for planting of bulbs in Rabi onion varieties. The Kharif onion bulbs, since are available during November end or early December, they should be planted by 15th December from the same crop, and this way the seed production can be taken within a year. Regarding the preparation of the land, prepare the field to fine till and one deep ploughing followed by 3 to 4 harrowings and land leveling are enough for the seed production purpose. Coming to the seed rate, approximately it needs 15 to 20 quintals of bulbs per hectare. The next step is the bulb selection and grading of the bulbs. Based on the color, shape, size of the bulb, which conforms to the varietal characters, should only be selected for sowing. For the seed crop, the isolation requirement is minimum of 500 meters for the certified seed production and 1000 meters for the foundation seed crop to avoid the cross pollination by insects. Coming to the fertilizer requirements, farmyard manure at the rate of 25 tons per hectare is required, apart from NPK at the rate of 100, 50, 50 kg per hectare. Here apply 50, 50, 50 kg NPK per hectare at the time of planting and remaining nitrogen in 2 splits, one at 30 days and second at 45 to 60 days after planting, and give 1% spray of polyfeed, that is 19, 19, 19 NPK at 30 and 60 days after planting, and 1 spray of multi-K after 60 days of planting for proper seed set. Spacing 8 to 10 centimeter depth in the soil at the distance of 10 to 20 centimeters. Regarding roguing, removal of off-type plants, weeds, disease infested plants, it should be done scrupulously before it comes to harvest to avoid the genetic contamination. Roguing operations are to be taken at different stages, namely vegetative stage, flowering and after harvest. Pollination requirements, since it is a highly cross pollinated crop, it needs bees as a main pollinating agent. Hence, have good number of bees for proper pollination and seed set. Regarding the field inspections, 4 inspections are recommended for the seed production stage. The first inspection is done before flowering in order to determine the volunteer plants, isolation distance, and off types includes bolters and other relevant factors. And second and third inspections are made during flowering to check verify the isolation, off types and other factors. The fourth inspection is made at maturity to verify the true nature of the plant and other relevant factors. Field standards, for the bulbs not conforming to the varietal characters, the maximum permissible limit is 0.10 percentage for the foundation class and 0.20 percentage for the certification class by number only. The off types recommendation is 0.1% for foundation class and 0.2% for the certified class. Coming to the insect and disease control, onion thrips here dust with malathion at 25 to 30 kg per hectare or spray malathion at 600 to 700 ml per hectare or thiodon 35 EZ at 600 to 700 ml per hectare. 3 to 4 applications may be required. To control onion maggot, spray Sevimol. Coming to the disease control, to control the damping of diseases, it may lead to the seedling mortality. So, drench the nursery with 0.3% Captan or Thiram at weekly intervals. To control the purple blotch, spray with copper fungicides such as Biltox at 0.2% concentration. The harvesting and processing of the seeds, harvest must be done only after complete maturation of the seeds. The maturity of the seed ready for harvest is indicated by browning of the capsules and turning of the seed inside the capsules into black in color. These stage umbels alone should be harvested in 3 to 4 pickings at an interval of 45 days. The harvested umbels have to be dried under shade. Seeds are separated from the capsule by hand thrashing or using pliable sticks. After proper dyeing, the seed processing is essential. Processed seeds are treated with Bevestin or Thiram at the rate of 2 to 3 grams per kg of seeds. Next is the packing and storage of seeds. Seeds dried to 6% moisture and stored in sealed containers, and then the storability is prolonged to 3 to 4 years. The average seed yield is 850 to 1000 kg per hectare. Regarding the seed standards, the Pew seed recommendation is 98% for both the classes, with the minimum germination requirement is 70% for foundation and certified class of seeds. So far, we have studied about the seed production technology of Bendi and onion.